Hello, beautiful people. Welcome or welcome back to my channel, Brooklyn L Saves. Happy Saturday. How's everybody doing? How is everybody doing? It is a freezing. It is a brick outside. It is North Pole, Antarctica. It hurts my skin when I go outside, okay? That's how cold it is today. I'm like, it cannot snow tomorrow because usually the day or a couple of days before it snows, it's usually a little bit warmer outside, but we shall see. I'm gonna do a video tomorrow, so I will keep you all updated. But hello, beautiful people. Brooklyn L Saves. Yes, I am doing my video before I go get this laundry done. Market already taken care of. Clean up a little bit, already taken care of. So all that needs to be done is laundry. Then I will come back and Netflix and chill. I want to watch His and Hers. I think that's what it's called, or Hers and His. I don't know. One of those ways. I heard that was a good, I think it's a series. Everybody on Facebook seems to be talking about it. So I want to see if I catch that today. And that's it. Probably take out my braids, redo my hair for the new week. And that's it. Pilates, as I mentioned, I think yesterday was we canceled it due to it gonna be snowing tomorrow. So let's see. Last week was not that it was a false alarm because it did snow, but we could have trucked through it. We've been through worse going to Pilates than what it was last weekend. But anyways, let's get into this video. We are gonna do a few things. And look, you guys, I know you guys saw this before, this beautiful creation by Budgeting with Lisandra. She does custom names. You can ask her to do this on her Ko-fi. And I've been had this for months, but I just didn't know when to use it, and I still not going to start it yet. Not gonna start saving with it yet, but I want it to be right here in my clear binder so you can see Brooklyn. And you'll save for each letter, you'll save for each flower. So when I'm ready to use it, I'll use it, but for right now it's just gonna be like the front cover. So let's see. We're gonna start with my nori stuffies, my nori binders. Yeah, let's see what we're doing. So I'm gonna keep that here too. And yeah, we're gonna need a dice towel later. Oh, I know I moved my excuse me, I moved my scratcher tool in here, right? Because if not, then I'm gonna be upset because all right, anyway, that's not, I don't think, yeah, we don't need a scratcher tool today, but I gotta locate my scratcher tool. Okay, I see it. Because I was gonna be big mad. Okay, so I think we're gonna need that one for right now, because you guys, all right, hold on, let's, because you know your girl always be doing too much. Let's just move this over, and there you go. Okay, I'll be doing too much. All right. We have 10, 20, 25, 30, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, 50. Not sure if we're using all of this, but this is what I had set aside for the video. Then you guys, of course, beautiful vacation savings creation by Norellis Budgets. Super cute. My little sister texted me because she saw my videos. Well, she was catching up with my videos, and she said, "Oh, sissy, I want that book, that vacation savings book." But I went on Nori's website, and it's only for digital, so it's not available for physical. So what I was thinking is I was gonna watch some videos on how to make the envelopes and see if I could take a snag at making this book, like buying the digital from Nori and then making the book for my little sister. I wish I could do it like ASAP, but I'm still in a no spend January, so I have to wait. But I was saying that I was trying to do it ASAP so that I could give it to her for her birthday next month, but her birthday is the first week of February, so I know it's not even gonna happen because I could buy February 1st, and then I still gotta figure out how to make it. So but this weekend I got that on my to-do list to watch some videos. I already have some like saved in my watch later from some of the creators on YouTube to learn how to make these so that I could now I have a reason to try and make it, because I already have the Happy Planner clips, chips disc. I already have the mushroom hole puncher. I just need to get like this lamination kind of paper so that I can make it. So, and then buy her digital, print it out, and put it all together and trial and error. So I'll let y'all know how that goes. It'll just be to my little sister a little bit after her birthday, and it's okay. I know she'll understand because I am not, and I repeat, I am not giving up my Norellis Budgets creations. I love my little sister, but I love my Nori stuff too. She understands though. So getting into the video, I got $10 and we had 15, so now we have 10, 20, 25, and I could color in my first circle. Yes, love, love, love it. So first circle in the book, let's go. And then when I go do laundry later, I'm gonna go grab some bills from the ATM, so then I could come in and swap my 10s for the 20s and condense some of my binders with some 20s. I don't know about hundreds because I don't know if we in the hundreds yet, because you know the month just started. But yeah, the first 25, yay. All right, so we just gonna we just gonna leave that to the side. Oh, and let me show y'all, just in case you're new, first time watching, this comes from Norellis Budgets. You could get it as a digital now on her website, and each envelope is gonna save $150. So you see, super cute. And you can bring 25, 50, 100, whatever's in your budget. I'm bringing what I can. And excuse me, if we go on vacation, we go on vacation. If not, it just goes to something else. But your girl is saving. And then the front and the back cover, because that's the front and that's the back cover. But I want to make sure this is dry. Oh goodness, here we go with the noise. Let me pause and be right back. Alright, so while I paused, I did get a cough drop, so sorry if you hear me smacking on my cough drop. I'll try not to because that is so annoying, but I can't promise. Okay? Alright, so let's just put that right there. Next, let's get into the Norella's 2026 savings book. And this is another one of Nori's creations that I think is only digital now. Don't quote me, but go to her website, norellasbudgets.com, and you'll see all her goodies. Some are physicals, some are digitals. And it's going to save $2,026, but she breaks it up in cute little challenges so you could pace yourself and have fun saving. So we are doing this one here, which is Trust Your Journey, which I thought was so perfect for me to start off with because I need to trust this journey that I'm on right now, trying to save these coins. And for right now, we're going to color in 2 flowers to start. If there's money left over, we'll come back. So, how is your Saturday going? What are you doing? What have you been doing? What are you planning to do? I know, I already said we are expecting snow. I already did most of the stuff that I need to do. Mommy already prepped the pork chops for dinner tonight. Oh, I said only 2. All right, so let me see. I should have $1 back here. And it comes with a pouch. And it comes with a dashboard for, I guess, for, yeah, it should be in the front. And let me write my name again here. And then let me let it dry over here for a quick moment. And we're gonna, and it comes with this too, like a bank slip. So you can write, excuse me, you can write what's in it, or what you put in the bank and stuff like that. Alright, so it's $2 each flower. We put in, we took out 1 and we put in 5. See how it dries so quickly? Actually, let's just leave it. While that is drying, I also got this from Nori in her box. Yeah, in her Black Friday box. And these, she put 4 of them in there. They're quarterly challenges. So this is for the first quarter, which is March, January, February, March. So we're doing $8 in this one today. So I want to get rid of that, the big numbers. Sometimes I want to do the big numbers. Sometimes I do the small numbers. But we're going to work on this 8. And hopefully next week I could work on the other 8. If not, we will just do what we can. Have 3 months to finish. If I could finish it sooner, of course, I would like to do that. Pero no pressure. Alrighty, so we should have 8 and 6 is 14. So let's let that dry. So this money is in the front, and then the The challenge money is in the back. So let's see. We have 5, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. We'll put these back and we'll take a 10. Okay? Okay. And there's actually a 1. So let's do this one as well. So it could be an even, excuse me, 15. Yay! Okay, so let's let that dry. This one should be dry. And that's there. So the money's gonna be in the middle, and then this is gonna be the divider of the monies. Okay. And then we'll let that dry and we'll put it in later. So that's that. You guys, I promise you, I clean my mat every video and it's still sticky. It's not as sticky as it used to be, and I don't know what it is. If it's just the mat itself. But now we're gonna do Norella's budgets, dreams to come true. My little Sailor Moon stickers from Yummy Gadget into savings. I don't know if I want to take it off and actually put her on here, but I don't think she fits perfectly. So she just be chilling. Who believes in you? I do. So how this works is every Tuesdays, save $5. Every Thursday, save $5. Norella's budgets on her channel. She rolls her die, and those are the numbers that I record right here. And then we put those dollars into our envelopes. So each envelope has a category. So for me, envelope number 1 is Costco. This is for my 2027 membership. Number 2 for vacation. 3 for sneakers. 4 to bless someone. 5 for my nails. And 6 for casino. So as I mentioned last week, we're gonna have 10 bills. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 5 for Tuesday, 5 for Thursday. But when I can, I'm gonna put a spicy 5, a 10, a 20, a 50, a 100, who knows, whatever the budget allows. And then I will shuffle them with my eyes closed. And then wherever the spicy, did I drop off? Wherever the spicy lands, that's the challenge that will get that spicy. Just to boost up some of the savings. Last week we did a $5 bill. This week we're gonna do a $10 bill and stop. All right, so wherever it landed, that's where it will stay. Let's get this here. Oh no, because I gotta open the book this way. All right, so we are doing the last 2 weeks. This was Thursday, this was Tuesday. So we're gonna start with Tuesday. So 3 got, she rolled a 3 times. Hey, all right, so 1, 2, 3. Then she rolled a 4. And then she rolled a 5. Now Thursday she rolled a 5. She rolled a 6. She rolled a 2. Did not know, I didn't do that right. Hold on. I think I skipped the 4. Did I put a bill in 4? I did. Okay. Yeah. Okay, so did I do this right? All right, hold on, you guys. Let's start all over because I feel like I'm not right. Hold on. Okay, start again. So 3. 1, 2, 3. And then 4 and 5. 5, 6, 6, okay, 2, 6, and 2. Okay, I don't know why I felt like I was off, but excuse me. All right, so number 1, in those 2 days, receive nothing. So Costco will still sit at $6. At the end of each month, I'll calculate how much each of the challenges have. So like that, we can know where we are month to month. This is a year challenge before we on stuff, unless we need it, God forbid. So challenge number 2, which is vacation, got the spicy 10. And now number 2 has 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. Okay. Challenge number 3, which is for sneaker purchase, had 5 and now it has 8. Sorry about that, you guys. Y'all already know. Y'all already know. Blessing had 1, 2, 3, and now it has 4. At the end of the year, or whenever I feel like to, if I feel like the blessing is needed, I will pull this out. This could be for a family member, a friend, a stranger, a giveaway, who knows, but that's what it's for, to bless someone. Nails received 2 this week, and now it has 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. And number 6 for the casino got 2, and now it has 5, 6, 7. All right, so that does it for Norella's Budgets Dreams Do Come True Community Savings Challenge. This is free on her Ko-fi. Could go grab it. It's never too late to start. You never have to keep up with people. Start at your own pace, start in your own journey, and trust your own journey. Let's go ahead and put this back in here. All right, so I thought I was prepared, but I'm not. Hold on, you guys. Let me get my book, because I need my book. I need my book. Yeah, I need my book. Okay, I'm back. Just a little hop, skip away. Okay, so we're gonna do some excuse me, 2026 savings, and we'll start with Kimmy's Corner. Each space is $2. It's gonna save us $110. She has a few versions of these where the amounts increase. Pick which one works for your budget. I'm starting off with that one, which is, I think, the lowest one. So today we are going to give it, let's see, 5, 6, 7, 8. Let's give it $8 for now. So hold on, 8. So that's gonna be how many spaces? 4, right? So, oh yeah, blue. Try to keep it as coordinated as possible. And that's hard for me. That's 2. And we have 4. And then we have 6. And then we have 8. Alrighty. So this is a yearly challenge, but I hope to not spend the whole year trying to save $110, but we gotta just see how the budget works for us, because there's honestly no rush, but of course I want to save as much as I possibly can. So when the budget allows it, we save more. If not, that's it. Okay, so let's see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And we'll take this last 10. It just shows you that saving can be fun, and it could be at your own pace. Okay. Thank you, Kimmy's Corner. Super cute. She got a whole bunch in this one PDF. So go check out Kimmy. She's a hoot. So much fun over at her channel. This one comes from my Ko-fi shop, and it's a 2026 savings challenge as well. You can make it save $26. You can make it 2 and a 6. You can do the 6 plus the 2. You can make it 2 quarters, 2 dimes, 2 nickels, whatever works for your budget. Today we're gonna save, let's do, I wanted to bring a 20, but I didn't get to the bank yet. So let's do $8. 5, 6, 7, 8. And we're gonna stick with the purple for now. Actually, no, let's do 8 for now. I get a little overzealous sometimes. 6. Oh damn, I should have did that one. And a 2. That's 8. And I be forgetting to put, I don't want it to go through. Alright, so let's see how much we have now with my challenge. And I said no. I said I wasn't going to count mine, because mine is really a mystery. Because we don't know what's there. So let's just put it in. Do we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 5? Well, there you have it. And that's how much we have so far. We're not gonna put anything in Save with Judy because we're all caught up. So next excuse me, next Saturday is, I believe, February 1st. So we'll start with the $5 then, or if I got a little extra, I'm gonna just put the 25 or 10 or 20 and just, you know, keep it like that. Because if I could do that challenge maybe twice in the 1 year, I think that'll be nice, because it's save $300. So why am I closing it? I still need this, but I think my next 2026 challenge is in the big book. Which comes to us from mi amiga. Where are you? Janine. Over at 9 Blossoms. The Savings Poet. And she was on a little break But she's back, and I had to catch up on her videos. I'm so sorry I missed your birthday, boo. Happy birthday. Happy belated birthday. Happy birthday to everybody in January. So here, let's see if we can finish this. So 6 and 6 is 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. Let's see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. Nope, because I want to play Shut the Fridge, and I need money for Shut the Fridge. So let's do 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 it is. And again, this is the low income savings challenge, total to $400 to save in 2026. So if we could do it sooner, great. If not, it is for the whole year. So, and she got these pretty dashboards in her Ko-fi. Yeah, they're here. So I did come here and condense this. I'll have to come back later and condense this as well. So I like to keep using my ones. I like to use my ones and my tens because those are hard. The ones and the tens I need to go into the bank to get. And then the ones I can get inside the bank at the ATM machine, but most of the time I don't make it to the bank. So I like to reuse those. So I like to keep on condensing and reusing until I can't anymore. So last but not least, we're gonna play Shut the Fridge. Yeah, you guys, so much fun. I like being here with you guys. Shut the Fridge. Hey Freddie, ¿cómo está Freddie? And this comes to us from Mish Money. She's also on YouTube. She got her SD store. And Mish Money, M-I-S-H Money, Mish Money. Oh, look, it's right there too on the fridge. Okay, y'all see it. I know you see it. And I don't know what we're saving for, but we just playing. Super cute. And she has 4 versions of Shut the Fridge. Different ways to play, different ways to save. And let me get my dice. And we're gonna do this. Let's do these. Let's move this here and move this here. And we need to die because it goes up to 9. And we got a 10. Starting off strong already. Ooh, we got 11. So 8, 9, 10, 11. 8, 9, 10, 11. Okay, we could chill with the high numbers. Thank you. That's 6. And we have another 6. So 4 and 2 is 6. 4, 5, 6. And that's 5, 6, 7, 8. And we don't got 8. And let's just do a free roll. And that's 3. Okay, so we are saving low budget. So that is 2. And let's go one more time. Ooh, that's 11. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. So 9, 10, 11. I was gonna say, don't give me snake eyes, because I just took out the 2. And what does it do? It gives me snake eyes. All right, so free roll early. Oh, and that's 6, 7, 8, 9. 8 and a 1. 6, 7, 8. 6, 7, 8. 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay. 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay. And that's 7. Can we get a 10? No, we got 5. All right, so that's 2. And let's go one more time, I promise. One more time. I'm not ready to leave y'all yet. All right, one more. Snake eyes, 2. And 6. And 5. And 9. And 8. 6, 7, 8. So 7 and a 1. Oh, we almost had it. Okay. I don't know if we did the free roll already this time, so we're just gonna leave it like that. Okay. So we saved 2 for 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and yeah. So that's it. I'm trying to talk because the people's outside is being really loud, and so yeah. Okay, well, if you made it this far, thank you so much. I really appreciate you. I'm so close to 600 subscribers. Once we get to 600, I'm trying to create a freebie for you guys, and then I'll do a small little giveaway, nothing crazy. My next big giveaway will definitely be at 1,000 subscribers. So tell a friend to come watch Lord and Save Her Coins. I am trying to do what I can to be monetized, and that is reaching 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 hours. So I thank you to everyone who watches my videos, to everybody who plays the playlist. Y'all already know I'll be watching everybody's playlist, and if you need watch time, y'all know to reach out to me. Comment on any one of my videos. It doesn't matter. I always have, not always, but I usually do my community posts with my watch hours list, and mostly everybody who comments on the post, whether you're saying just something nice or asking to be on the list, I add you because you support me, I support you, and if I can't buy anything from you or support you with money, then I will definitely support you by watching your videos and adding to your watch hours. 2026, I want it to be grand for everyone in the community, so let's stick together like we do and just help each other grow. Have a great weekend. Stay safe. I will catch you all in the video tomorrow. Bye.